An assault rifle found in our own backyard. Utica police finding that weapon following a shots fired call that happened just last night. Eyewitness News reporter Ben Dennis caught up with Chief Mark Williams to see if this is any cause for concern.
Around 7:30 Thursday evening, the Utica Police Department was dispatched to the 1000 block of Hope Street for a shots-fired incident. En route, police received a report that someone stood on the front porch of a home holding an assault rifle.
Depending on the assault weapon and the ammunition that's used, it can penetrate an officer's vest.
Upon arrival, police say they encountered several people exiting the back of the home. That's where they found an AK-47. Police say the discovery of the firearm is not the first time they've come across a rifle of its kind.
We have in the past. I like to say it's infrequent, but like I said, it's just not our first time we've seen assault weapons.
The individuals seen exiting the home were interviewed. 2 men were detained. One of them, 28-year-old Detron Brown of Utica. Police say the assault rifle was his. He was charged with second-degree criminal possession of a weapon and criminal possession of a firearm, both felonies. Police Chief Mark Williams says the AK-47 does not reflect a new trend of guns possessed in the city.
It's just that what I see is more of a lack of respect for laws, lack of respect for each other, and that's the part that that concerns me the most. It seems like you know, that there's no filter anymore for people, whether it's lack of a moral upbringing. I don't know.
The other individual charged is 33-year-old Thomas Bell of Utica. He faces 3 drug charges. Multiple bullet casings were found on scene, but were not from the AK-47. No one was injured, and the investigation is ongoing. Others directly involved in the incident fled the scene before police arrived. The Utica Police Department seeks to identify them and asks the public for help. In Utica, Ben Dennis, Eyewitness News.